get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life.
Hey you guys, it's your girl Star and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are cooking up some things. So I'm going to currently make some keto cornbread. I saw the recipe on Keto Quiche page and I have to give it a try, you guys. If you guys want to see how I make this cornbread, stay tuned. Alright you guys, so we're going to start off with some melted butter. One full cup of almond flour. And some monk fruit sweetener. We're just gonna keep pouring until my ancestors tell me to stop. A teaspoon of baking powder. And we're going to pour some almond milk. We're gonna crack 2 eggs into our mix. Last but not least, a splash of vanilla extract. You guys, tell me that doesn't look good. Like, it legit look like cornbread. It legit look like cornbread, so you know I had to put some butter on the cornbread. It ain't cornbread if you don't add some butter on top. Like, I took full advantage of this moment, you guys, and it tastes amazing. I hope you enjoyed today's video, you guys. If you enjoyed today's video, smash that like button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see y'all next time. So I forgot to tell you guys, so I'm using Keto Quiche cornbread that you guys saw me make, and I added some beef and some cheese, and oh my god, you guys, this tastes amazing. It literally tastes like cornbread. I'm not even going to flex. If you haven't tried this recipe, I will put the link down below, or maybe not the link, the recipe down below, because I don't know if I can link her Instagram. But I got this from Keto Quiche, you guys, and it tastes so good. I know it don't look as great, but trust me, this hits the spot.
Can I take you there? Can I take you there?